Hello, we introduce in this video how to create and manage the menus of your WordPress website. In fact, WordPress has a powerful built-in menu system that makes it simple for a user to create menus, add almost any type of content to those menus, order the menu with drag and drop functionality, and assign menus to various locations on the site. In WordPress, menus are all located in the right column of the menus screen. When you first install WordPress, there are no menus set up. There's a text box on the right side labeled menu name. By giving the menu a name and clicking create menu, not only do you get a success message and a new tab called manage locations at the top of the screen, but also the set of drop-downs on the left become active instead of grayed out. Only one menu can display at a time, and you can access any others via the drop-down menu below the two tabs at the top. That's also where you go to create a new menu. Simply click the little tab with the plus symbol. After you name your menu and save it, you can start adding items to the menu. In this case, I've created a menu called Top Main Menu. It's going to be my primary navigation for the site, so I want all my key content pages up there. Available menu items are in the left column of the menus screen. By default, the Pages section is open, but if you clicked on Links or Categories, the new one would open and the old one close. More menu items are available, but you need to activate them by using screen options at the top right. Hidden by default are posts, tags and format, but depending on your plugins, your theme, and any customizations you may have made, there could be many more choices. In other words, virtually any type of content can be a menu item. But how do you get these menu items onto a menu? Simply check the box beside one or more menu items, and then click the Add to Menu button. Make sure that the menu you want to add to is displayed on the right. A rounded rectangle, that looks like a widget, then shows up in the menu area for each of the menu items. Where you can place menus is defined by your theme. Some themes might have 6 menu locations, whereas another has only 1. If the theme documentation didn't tell you the possible locations, you can easily see them all by creating your first menu. At that point, you get a tab on the menu screen that shows you possible locations. From here you can assign any menu to any menu location. Menu locations are also shown at the bottom of each menu, from which you can also do the assigning. WordPress tells you if any other menu is already assigned to an area, in which case it's unavailable. You can also assign menus to any widget area by using the custom menu widget. You're given the choice of naming the menu, and choosing which menu to assign from a drop-down list. Notice that there's still a custom menu widget showing in the available widgets area on the left. You can create and use multiple menus in widget areas. After you have items added to a menu, you have a lot of options. One of the most important is the ability to rename the item by using the navigation label field, which you can do by clicking the down arrow on the right side of the menu item box. This is particularly important if something has a long name that needs to be shortened for use on a menu. Even when you change the name, you're reminded what the original name of the menu item was. You can delete a menu item by using the remove link. There is no system of dragging off menu items to delete them. Dragging and dropping does work, however, if you want to change the order of menu items. For saving your changes, you must click Save Menu every time you make any changes. If not, the changes won't appear on the site and will be lost if you leave the screen. Creating submenu items is as easy as changing the order. The only difference is that you need to drag a submenu item to the right, and below its parent item. You can have submenu items and so on, provided that the theme supports more than one level of submenu items. If you want to delete a menu, there's a delete link at the bottom of the menu structure section. If you delete a menu, and don't replace it with another in the location where it appeared, most themes simply collapse the area, assuming the menu was the only element in that area. I finished here the video. If you find it useful, subscribe for more video. Thanks and see you soon in the next videos.